It's Fashion 4025 here at the Crown Plaza Galleria, Manila, and we have one stunning model all the way from Cavite. We have Jan Paolo. Hi, Jan.
Hello, sir.
Ayan, first time mo bang sasabak sa rampa?
Actually, this is my second time na mabilong dito sa Fashion Forte, and I'm so happy because I'm wearing the La Presa collection right now.
So, the first time ba, La Presa rin, or you have other designer on the Fashion Forte?
Today po ba?
Last time?
Last time, I was our Mato Rodrigo designer. So, that's actually one of the best outfit that I wear as well. And also, but this one is amazing. It's kind of comfy right now, and yeah.
And syempre, Mama Nardi is, sabi nga natin, one of the best designer in the country that we have. Plus, dito sa Fashion Forte, nakukuha yung ilang mga modelo ng iba't ibang brand. Ano yung pakiramdam that you're part of it?
You know what? When I heard or when I got the news that I'll be wearing the La Presa collection, I was like, "Oh, is this serious?" Like, so na-surprise ako kasi this is actually a manifestation. Minanifest ko to na someday ma-wear ko yung collection ni Mami Nardi.
Wow, so talagang dati spectator lang, patingin-tingin. Ngayon, modelong nagsusot na ng Nardi Collection.
Yes. And
so your message to all the models out there or aspiring models na gusto rin magmodelo pero may mga reservations pa.
My advice to them, just be consistent with your passion. So I think there's always a perfect timing for that. So like me, I've never imagined na mawiwear ko, maging part ako ng La Presa collection. And now, I'm here,
Very well said. So talagang if you have a dream, just go for it, right?
Yes, exactly.
And that's it from us here at the Fashion Forte Season 25.